Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to fix the problem of if your device is not compatible with with the version of Play Store. So this is a problem of update. You need to reset your application if you got the ultimate update of the application. But before that, you need to confirm you got the ultimate option of the ultimate version of the Play Store. How you can do that? You need to go here in the Play Store, and here in the Play Store you need to go to the superior right corner, and here you need to go to the option of settings, and in settings you need to pick in the ultimate option where set about. So here in about you need to check here in Play Store version, and you need to pick here in update Play Store. So if here Google said you got the ultimate option like this, Google Play Store is up to the date to date. So you need to pick here and got it, and after that you need to go here in Play Store and pick here and app info, and here in app info you need to pick here in force stop. After that you reset the application, and your problem is sure your problem is fixed. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.